Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Los. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It has been a minute. Happy New Year's to everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's been a while, man, since I've been on here. So I know I have been a little ghost off the channel. Been a little busy with work. Last month of the year, super busy. And then holidays and family. Y'all know how that kind of goes. But welcome back to, hold on, let's get that fixed. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Again, hope y'all are having a great time, man. A great day, great morning, wherever time in the world it is that you're watching this. Got a little update for y'all, man. I am on the first little get together of the year, little coffee and crawl thing that we got here locally that someone hit me up on Facebook about. That I'm gonna go check it out. And then just kind of go over goals and plans for the channel this year for us. That's today's menu structure for what we got going on. Got a lot of things planned for us, guys, this year. Got a lot of things in the mail coming for the 4Runner. Got some things at the crib already coming for the 4Runner. Check out Instagram. That's usually where I post like a little behind the scenes, little up and coming things for the 4Runner and whatnot, and for the channel, I should say. So check it out if you guys haven't already. But with that being said, got a lot of goals this year for the channel. In regards to the 4Runner, plan on doing a little bit more camping trips, a little bit of trail runs this year, especially now, you know, that hopefully with COVID things are getting a little bit easier to manage and whatnot for us to be able to go out and gather with people and things of that sort, right? If not, just got to make sure we follow the guidelines of whatever it is that we're going and make sure that we're able to do that. So that being said, it is 25 degrees out this morning. It is cold. I have a hoodie on. Heater's not on yet, but the seat warmers are up and running. Oh, let me fix the lighting. Hold on. There we go. My bad. Sorry about that, guys. All right, now it's a little terrible. God, I'm not able. I need to fix this and adjust it. So let me do this. Let's get on the road. Well, I'm actually already on the road, but I'm about to jump on the highway. So let me do that real quick, and I'll get with you guys when I get over to the Krawl and Coffee. How about that? I'll see you guys in a little bit in 3, 2, 1. Let's get today's episode started.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it.
All right, we made it to this place locally called Offroad Mortorsports. So go ahead and check it out, man. I think they got like a little rock garden back there and a flex triangle, I think it was called. I'm not sure. Flex ramp. So go and give it a try, man. We went through the 4Runner. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and check out this rock garden real quick.
Hit this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the who she. Laying game like 2D, I been kicking shit like Bruce Lee. Margarita to the brim tip, black denim need a slim fit. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass. No, I'm dead, right? Leaving early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. teed up out in Malibu, got sand all in my good shoes. Press a nigga with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty, really it started to bother me. I need to yacht.
Boom, guys, y'all seen a couple trucks go through the little rock garden they got. Let's go on let's get the 4Runner try. Let's see if we can do it, man. Ain't gonna hurt to try. Let's give it a try. Let's see what we can pull off today, guys. Let's give it a try. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Big old rock on your back.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Take it, driver.
Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In the yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the old well. Need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing push clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Boom, that was crazy, man. A little H1. Hey, man, should we get an H1 on the channel or what, man? Hit that like button, put it in the comments if we should bring an H1 to the channel. I probably don't have no money for an H1, but hey, it'd be cool. Hit that like button, let's get one, man. officially done with today's vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Did a little off-roading locally, a little rock garden. That was kind of cool. Took the 4Runner up the flex ramp. That was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Like I said, I got a lot of plans for the channel this year. A lot of trails, a lot of camping, a lot of expos I want to experience and go out. So do me a favor, man. If y'all think of an expo I should be at, or y'all want to meet up, put in the comments, send me a message on Instagram. I'm always down to party, you know. But with that being said, y'all know what to do, man. Hit that like button if y'all like today's video. Hit that share if y'all want to share it with somebody that might be interested in the channel. And for those that are subscribed, much love. And if you are first time or keep coming around, subscribe to the channel, please. It definitely does help, so I definitely do appreciate it. That being said, y'all know what to do. Follow your path. Peace.